What if I told you that over the last few days I tested 5 different AI money making methods to find out which ones actually work and which ones are a complete waste of time? Some people online claim you make $100 a day with AI. Others say AI is the biggest opportunity of the decade. But here's the question: can a complete beginner actually make money using AI? Well, I decided to find out. I tested 5 popular AI money making methods, tracked the result, looked at how difficult they were, how much time they look, and how realistic they are for beginners. And trust me, one of these methods surprised me way more than I expected. So if you are thinking about money making with AI in 2026, watch the till, because it should have saved you weeks of wasted time. And if you enjoy honest money making experience, hit the like button and also subscribe my YouTube channel because it helps the channel more than you think. Let's get started. AI is everywhere. People are using it to write content, create images, build business, automate tasks, and even start side hustles. But the problem is the social media is full of exacted claims. You will see titles like make $1,000 per day with AI, earn money while you sleep, no work requirement. Most of those claims are unrealistic. So instead of believe random screenshots and promises, I wanted to test things myself. I picked 5 AI money making methods that beginners can actually try. For each method, I looked at how easy it is to start, how much money it can realistically make, how much competition exists, and whether it's worth your time. Let's begin with method number 1. The first method was AI content writing. This is probably one of the most common AI side hustle right now. The idea is simple. Business need blog posts, website owners need articles, small companies need marketing content, and AI tools can help create reports much faster. For the experiment, I using ChatGPT to help generate article ideas and outlines. Now listen carefully. This is important. AI does not magically create you perfect content. Most people does not know this. They pay for useful results. That means you need still to edit, improve, fact check, and personalize that content. But here's the important: the amount of time required. Instead of spending 3 hours write an article, you must finish it in 1 hour. That productivity advantage is where the opportunity exists. For beginners, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can be places to find writing clients. Realistically, beginner writes might change anywhere from $20 to $100 per articles depending on quality and experiment. More experienced writers can earn much more. My verdict: this method definitely works, but it is not passive income. You are exchanging your skills and time for money. Difficult level 6 out of 10. Earning potential 8 out of 10. Next, I tested AI thumbnail creation. If you have spent any time on YouTube, you already know that thumbnails are incredibly important. A great thumbnail can dramatically increase clicks. A bad thumbnail can kill a video performance. The interesting thing is that many small creators struggle with design. That's where AI tools come in. Tools like ChatGPT for thumbnail ideas, Canva, and Adobe Express can help create professional looking thumbnails much faster. Many creators don't actually need a world-class designer. They just need someone who can make a clean, attention-grabbing thumbnails consistently. That means beginner can potentially offer thumbnail services. If you charge $10 per thumbnail and complete 10 thumbnail, that's $100. If you skill improve and you charge $25 per thumbnail, the number become even more interesting. Of course, completely exists, but creators are constantly looking for help. The key is quality, not quantity. If your thumbnail gradually improve click-through rate, clients will come back. My vertically, a solid beginners friendly AI site hustle. Difficult level 5 out of 10. Earning potential 7 out of 10. Now let's talk about the method that would many attention the most. AI YouTube script writing. Think about how many YouTubers channel exist, millions, and every day creators need fresh content. Many creators are good on camera but terribly at writing scripts. That where AI can help. I use ChatGPT to virtually outline, research topics, and create first drafts. But here's the secret: The money is not each copying and pasting AI output. The money is making the content engaging, storytelling, hooks, curiosity, retention, emotional. These are things that separated average scripts for great scripts. Imagine two creators making videos about the exact same topic. One script is boring, the other keeps people watching until the end. Which creators grows faster? Exactly, that's why script writing remains valuable. Realistically, beginner script writers might charge $20, $50, even $100 plus per script, depending on length and quality. Some experiment writers change significantly more, and because AI speeds up research and drafting, you can complete project faster than before. This method impressed me because demand continues to grow. As more creators enter YouTube, more content is needed. My vertically, one of the strongest AI side hustle for beginners. Difficult level 5 out of 10. Earning potential 9 out of 10. Before I reveal the last two methods, I want to mention something just almost nobody talks about. AI is not replacing effort. AI is replacing repetition work. That's a huge difference. The people making money are usually not the people using AI once. They are the people combining AI with a valuable skill. Keep that in mind because it is not biggest lesson for this entire experiment. The next method is where things get really interesting. Now let's move on the method number 4. AI social media management. This is one of those opportunities that most beginners completely overlook. Think about it. Every business wants more customers, and today customers spend hours every day on social media platforms. Business know they should be posting regularly. The problem, most business owners are busy. They don't have time to create content every day. That's where AI can help. I tested using AI tools to generate post ideas, captions, content calendars, hashtag suggestion, and engagement ideas. The process was much faster than doing everything manually. Instead of spending 2 hours planning a week worth of content, AI could help create a rough plan in minutes. But here's the catch. Business who don't pay for content, they pay for results. If your post help a business get more attention, more leads or more customers, your value goes up dramatically. A local business owner does not care if AI wrote part of the caption. They care whether now customers walk through the door. That's why understanding basic marketing is still important. A beginner might change $50 to $200 per month for a small client. As experiment grows, some social media managers charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars monthly. And the best part, you can potentially manage multiplication clients at the same time. This creates recurring income instead of consistently chasing one-time project. My vertically very undirected, difficult level 6 out of 10, earning potential 8 out of 10. Now we arrive the method number 5. And honestly, this was the most interesting experiment, creating digital products with AI. Digital products include things like ebook, guides, templates, checklists, plans, and worksheets. The concept is simple. You create something useful once, then you can potentially sell it multiplication times. That's very difficult more freelancing. With freelancing, you get paid once for each project. With digital products, one product can generate sales again and again. Before we get too excited, more digital products don't automatically make money. That's a myth. Many people create something and never make a single sale. The reason is simple. Nobody knows it exists. Marketing matters. Disturbing matters. Solving a real problem matters. For my test, I look at how AI could speed up the creation progress. AI helped generate ideas, outlines, draft content, and product description. But human editing was still necessary. The biggest advantage was not replacing work, it was reducing creation time. Imagine creating a useful guide that helps beginners save money, improve productivity, or learn a skill. If you sell it for $10 and 10 people buy it, that's $100. If 100 people buy it, that's $1,000. The number can scale, but success depends on providing real value. My vertical, the highest long-term potential, difficult level 7 out of 10. Earning potential 9 out of 10. So after testing all 5 methods, here's how would rank them. Number 5, AI thumbnail design. Good beginner's option, easy to learn, resolving demand. Number 4, AI content writing. Still a solid opportunity, especially for people who enjoy writing. Number 3, AI social media management. Unrated and capable of generating recurring income. Number 2, AI digital products, more difficult at the beginners but potentially scalable. And number 1, AI YouTube script writing. Why? Because demand keeps growing. Creators constantly need content. AI speeds up the progress and strong storytelling remains valuable. For beginners, this combination creates a very attractive opportunity. Now here's the biggest mistake I noticed during this experiment. Most people focus on the AI instead of focusing on the problem. Think about it. Nobody walks up and says, I want to buy AI. People want solutions. Business want customers. Creators want views. Websites owners want traffic. Campaigns want growth. AI is simply a tool that helps deliver those results faster. The people who understand this will always have an advantage. This is important because technology changes, platforms change, trends change, but solving problems never goes out of style. So, can you actually make money with AI? Yes, absolutely. Not the way social media gurus describe it. AI is not a magic money button. It's a productivity tool. It helps you work faster. It helps you create faster. It helps you learn faster. And when you combine that with valuable skills, opportunities start to appear. If I were starting from zero today, I would focus on learning one skill and using AI to become better and faster at that skill. That's the approach that makes the most sense long term, because the goal is not to chase every new trend. The goal is to build something successful, and AI can help you to do exactly that. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 AI money making methods would you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have already tried any AI side hustle, share your experience because it could help someone else watching this video. If you enjoyed this experiment and want more realistic AI money making ideas, make sure to subscribe right now. Also hit the like button because it tells YouTube to show this video to more people. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.